I'm creating 100 plus AI UGCs every month for different e-commerce and D2C brands and help them create more ad creatives faster and more efficient using AI. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create at least 30 plus video creatives monthly that looks real, not like any AI video. I'll just add the sample here before starting the video and then we'll move ahead.
Twice a week, I deliver $700 of fresh flowers to the same mansion and carry out last week's. They're usually still perfect. That's a standing order. The same houses, the same days, all year, whether anyone's home or not. Peonies in January, flown in from another hemisphere for a sitting room I have never seen a person sit in. And here's the part people never believe. The ones I carry out are usually fine, beautiful even. They get 6 days of being looked at and then they ride out in my van because Tuesday is Tuesday. One of my houses spends more on flowers in a month than I spent on my daughter's wedding flowers. I know because I wrote both invoices. I sell the most beautiful, most temporary thing money can buy to people who buy it like bread, and doing that for years
To create any AI UGC that we plan, we need these 3 core elements here. Number 1 is the brief. So we'll start always with a brief where we have a script, something like this. I have this script in order to create what I want, and post that I need to have a reference of what I need to create, because without a reference you are just going to get those AI sloppy videos that looks very polished, plastic like skin and unreal. For that you need a reference image and then you move to the generation. So these are the 3 core pillars of AI UGC video. What you need to keep in mind whenever you are creating to have the right brief, the right reference and the right generation workflow. So let's start. Number 1 thing, you start with the brief. So I already have a brief. I'll just use Claude to create a brief like this based on whatever ad I want to recreate. And then once I have this brief ready, I will just go to Pinterest, find out a UGC creator that is relatable to my brief. This brief has a mid-aged lady that is doing flower business kind of thing. I'll search here UGC creator and then you will get 100 plus real UGC people creating real influencers, creating real videos. So you can pick any of them, whatever you want, go deep into them as well and find out more relatable characters to your video brief. And then based on that, like let's say I like this one, so I'll just take a screenshot of I'll now go to Claude and paste this screenshot and brief as well. This is my workflow. You can follow your own to generate, but this has always been working for me. I paste the brief as well. Now I have created a skill in Claude to automate my manual process of refining the brief. I can give you the, just if you need the skills, just comment below and I'll send you the link or add it in description, whatever. So I'll use this skill and I'll write analyze this ad concept, and based on the whole script I want you to write a image JSON prompt which I will use to generate a character for the script similar to that of the reference image that I have added. So make sure the character looks real and shot on iPhone UGC like shot, and the camera quality must match the reference quality. So once I have my prompt ready, I'll just run it on, I'd say I'm using Fable 5 because that has been working really great for me. You can use GPT, Gemini or any of the Claude models, whatever suits you. It will work on all of them. It is just that I'm more comfortable with Fable 5 and it works faster than anyone. It is reading my skill and let's just wait for the prompt. Till then, we'll go to Higgsfield. I'll be mostly using Higgsfield for all the generations I have. And then I'll go to image. So Claude has read the whole brief and based on that, it is giving me the character reference image prompt. Now this reference prompt is in JSON format as it brings more accuracy to what we actually want. So I'd always prefer you as well to include JSON output in your prompts. That will help AI understand more specific and generate more close results. So I'll just go to Higgsfield and run Nano Banana. Nano Banana works for me always. You can do it through GPT images as well, and then I will just hit multiple trials to see which one works best for me, and based on that I'll just see which one is best for me. Now look at the results that we got. We have got some of them are unreal, some of them look very polished and kind of thing, but this one is looking really pretty to me. So I'll just download this image and then I'll save it for reference. So the next step is when we have our character reference image ready, then we can click turn to video, and now we go to our brief again. We'll copy the whole script and then go to Claude, paste the whole script again. You can just refer to Claude normally as well, but I prefer pasting the brief again so it doesn't get hallucinated or confused. Now I'll run another skill that I have created. It helps in creating multiple clip generation prompts. I'll just walk you through after it has done the generation. So let me just firstly run it. Write a clip generation prompt for the whole script. This is what I actually need to tell Fable only after just one thing I have missed here. So based on the result we have got, we'll just paste this image as well. We'll copy this image, go to Claude and paste this, and here. So here when we are running the skill, we need to make sure that we are giving 2 inputs. The one that is character that we are using and the whole script that is going to be spoken by the character. So when we give this script and you need to add based on the attached. That's all you need to do, and then we'll run the whole prompt. So you can do this manually as well if you don't have this skill prompt and this Claude skill. You can do this by adding details. I've trained it custom for my use so that I don't have to repeat the same workflow again and again. But if you're doing this for the first time, you need to include what is the dialogue she should be saying and what is the motion she should follow. Once the result will come, I'll show you how you can structure your own prompts. So it's mostly about how you write specific prompts for your video. That is all you need to keep in mind whenever you are creating AI videos. So here we have got the results for the whole script. Now you may think, why is this clip 1, clip 2 thing is here? Because there is a limitation right now with AI that you may see everywhere. You can only generate a clip of maximum length of 15 seconds. Let me show you. So it is the maximum length you can generate is 15 seconds. Even if you are using any model, if you are using Cdance as well, that's the maximum length. OmniFlash is like they only do 10 seconds. So whatever model you are using, you need to make sure that you are creating the prompts that are not more than 15 seconds of clip. So these are the hooks that it has written: hook 1, clip 2, clip 3, and it has written all the clips. It has broken down the whole scripts into multiple sub clips. So that is how you create the base video prompts for your video. Now we'll just copy one of them. Go to this clip generation prompt, and now we'll copy this one clip prompt to show you. I'll just generate it. We'll paste this, and now we'll just set the duration to, as mentioned, 10 seconds. So set the quality to 720 for your reference. Then we will keep this image as reference image, our base image that we used, and then we'll generate. Now you can do this using MCP and CLI as well, but that consumes a lot more credit and requires additional effort in refining that. So I generally prefer this simple workflow, and it has always worked for me. I can create around 3 to 4 UGCs, very refined UGCs in a day. So I generally prefer this, like the one you saw. So with AI videos, I prefer quality over quantity, because anyone can create 100 videos in a day, but having the right video with the right messaging and visuals is very important whenever you are creating. So we have got our first output here. Let's just watch this together.
Twice a week, I deliver $700 to fresh flowers to the same mansion and carry out last week's. They're usually still perfect.
So you may see how realistic her expressions are, and the dialogue delivery is also accurate. So I'd say one more thing: whenever you are generating the prompts, the clips as well, it may occur that some of the clips would not look too good, and some of them would have a mistake of when the character is not delivering the dialogues properly and the lip sync is not working. You just need to recreate them 1 or 2 more time. If that is occurring again and again, it is the issue with the prompt only. So you may fix the prompt issues and most probably write more specific prompts, and most probably it will work out. So based on that, let's just move to next step. So once you have all these clips ready, I already had generated these clips, so I'm not going to regenerate them again. You need to follow the similar steps that I showed you for these 22, 23 clips or whatever your script length is. Now, based on that, I will download all of them and clip them together. But that would not look like a real high converting UGC video. To that, we need to add some good B-rolls there, and for good B-rolls, we need to just take this script again. We are going to generate real like B-rolls that will help it look more real and feels like it's not just a character who is speaking, like B-roll prompts as well to make it look like a real UGC video, not just like when you see a real UGC, it consists of multiple B-roll angles, shots and all. So for that, we just need to copy this whole script again. Let's just go to Claude again. You'll paste it here, and we'll give another prompt using the same UGC pipeline skill that I created. You will give a prompt similar to this. Based on the whole script, I want you to write multiple B-roll prompts that look like the creator shot the videos itself, and I want you to recreate and make sure that these all prompts look like these all videos look like they're shot from iPhone, like a real UGC creator, and doesn't look like AI plastic videos. So that is what you need to create. Make sure you don't give any global prompts, and keep everything simple, concise and precise, like the one we used to create earlier. So once we have this, we need to just add one more thing here. You need to give me image and video prompt as well for all the shots that you write, and take the character image as a reference that I've added in the prompt. So the way this B-roll thing works best is you create a base image prompt first, and then you use that image prompt to create your character B-rolls that includes your character, like the one you see here. These include your character and doesn't look like it belongs to some other video. So that helps in creating a more paceful video and helps in completing the whole story with right visuals. So once you have this prompt ready, you will run this prompt, and let me just add the character as well here. It added the character as well, and now I'll run this whole thing. Let's just wait for the results. Now it has started giving me the image and video prompts for all the b-roll shots that it has decided. You don't need to decide any shot yourself. If you need something specific, you can ask it, but AI mostly figures out everything that it needs to do. You just need to use this kind of skill. I will just start creating, but before creating, I see a mistake here that it doesn't had included the image one thing. So what we do on Higgsfield, whenever we create a base character b-roll image, we just use the reference image, and to refer that we need whenever we are writing the prompt and we want the AI to understand where to use that reference image, we'll do this at the rate image1 so that it understands which character we are referring to or which part of the prompt it needs to include this character so that it is clear to the general LLM. So we'll just copy this thing. Let's say, for example, we'll go to and we will add image prompt here. Now I don't see the women mentioned, so it may be some random b-roll prompt that is used. Let's just use this thing. So we'll just copy this whole thing. Doesn't matter if you copy the video prompt, it won't affect your image quality. So I'll just remove this. Now, based on the image prompt that we have got, we will add our attached character reference. As you can see, it has mentioned here, match the exact character reference, same women. So we can add this image one here. We'll just run this to see how this goes. And it will most probably generate an accurate result here. Let's just create two variants to see which one is better. So as you can see, the results are here. You just look at this AI character first. I don't know why this is not shown. So this is the character that we used and this is the result that we got. It is almost the same character that we use. You can generate a more high quality image if you need that, but that does the job, so you may not need that. So once you have this image prompt ready, you generate all the images in a row and then just copy this thing, go to turn to video, and you will have this reference thing. Now you can just paste this and you don't need to do anything else. If you want, you can just remove this starting part and just run this prompt. I just close the BGM. Now let's wait for the results. Until we see the result, I want to show you that what we generated already. So we had all these images, the shots that we generated already for the video. So we will use these images to generate them into a video. So the same formula you will use, the same workflow you will follow to create these images into a working video. So just turn them to video. You will just paste these here and just click generate. So you will get multiple clip shots, and that is how we generate all the b-rolls that we need. Advice that I got from my initial editing days, and it has been working well when you are creating performance creatives. You need to have combination of both AI videos and real b-rolls. If you can combine both of them, your video are going to outperform any AI video or any real video. You won't have to worry about looking like a AI slop. Your ad creative will look very real. You will definitely get high conversion rates because you are making a semi AI video. You are not just putting AI slop there. So the best ratio that worked for me is 50 to 60 to 40 ratio. We are using 60% of the videos as AI ones, and the 40% where product is mentioned and all, we try to use real videos there. Let's look at this. Looks highly real to me. This is a great b-roll to use in the whole video. So based on this, we have generated multiple b-rolls. If I show you some of them, this is her doing something, this is her, and this is all relevant to the script. It is nothing that is too irrelevant. She is a florist in the script and she is doing a course that we can use to complete the storytelling of the video. Now this is how you create all the b-rolls, and once you have all the b-rolls ready, the next step is to combine all of it and clip them together to create a perfect UGC video. Now once we have all the video, now let's jump into CapCut and see how do we do this. So I've clipped everything together, remove all the gaps that we have in the video, combined everything, and added the b-rolls here to make the story get completed. I've added all the b-rolls, combined everything, and then we have the final video. So that is how you create a high converting AI video. Now I didn't just use these videos, I used real b-rolls as well. If you will see, these are the real b-rolls that we have used there. So this is what we need to keep in mind whenever we are creating any video, and that's it guys. This is all you need to create any kind of AI video, not just AI UGC. You can use literally the same workflow, having the correct reference, the right brief, and the right generation workflow. That's all you need. So I hope this video may help you in creating more better videos and create more converting ads for your brand or agency. So that's all from my side. If you need any help in creating AI UGC videos, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, and my DMs are open. Have a nice day.